Watch closely. This blue solution slowly turns colorless, but with just a shake, it magically turns blue again. This fascinating reaction is called the blue bottle experiment. Let's see how it works. We need methylene blue, an indicator that changes color based on oxidation state. Glucose powder, which acts as a reducing agent. Potassium hydroxide to create an alkaline medium. First, I add solid potassium hydroxide to a beaker. Next, I add glucose powder. After that, I pour water into the beaker to dissolve both substances and create our reaction mixture. Now, I stir the solution well to ensure everything dissolves completely. Proper mixing is important to allow the reaction to proceed smoothly. Next, I pour the prepared solution into a bottle and add a few drops of methylene blue. This will create the color changing effect when we shake the bottle. Now, let's observe the reaction. When the bottle is left undisturbed, the solution appears colorless because glucose reduces methylene blue to its colorless form. But when I shake it, oxygen from the air gets mixed, re-oxidizing the methylene blue and turning the solution blue again. The redox cycle can be repeated multiple times, making it amazing chemistry trick. Try it yourself and see the magic of chemistry in action. If you like this experiment, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more cool chemistry videos. See you in next one.